slipping away. I wonder what he's dreaming about.
Shane, stop snoring. Stop snoring, Shane. Look, I threw this pillow at him and he would not wake up.
Dude, I can hear him in the freaking living room. No motherfucker's loud.
Shane. Shane, stop snoring. Shane, you're snoring.
Shut up. What the fuck were we trying to say? Annie or an elephant? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Annie and elephant? No, you're snoring so loud we can hear you in the other room.
Dude, my fucking hands hurt. I fell asleep on my wrist or something.
I was literally trying to go to sleep and I'm like, Shane, stop snoring. Shane. And I threw a pillow at you and you're like...